What is the difference between stock and custom cabinets?
So there's actually three categories: stock, semi-custom, and custom. Stock cabinets get manufactured in mass quantities. These are the cabinets you will find on the shelf at the big box stores. They're probably the most common sizes in it that you'll find in a kitchen over and over again. So when you pick a line of cabinets that is stock, your options are very limited. You can't do fancy hoods. You can't do, all these different height variations. Widths are very limited. Then there's custom, where somebody is literally building the cabinet to whatever size you want with whatever in it. That's custom. And then semi-custom are cabinet lines that we have. And there are many, many size options available that can create with the combination of that can create just about any kind of floor plan layout that you have, that you can think of in your mind. So semi-custom still coming off of a line in a manufacturer's plant. Custom, somebody's building. Bob the builder is literally building it on site. And stock is just mass produced stuff.